Hyderabad's first ever stunt competition from Shutter Gear.
Morning folks, day 2 of Shutter Gears, and today we have freestyle stunt biking. As you can see in the background, these folks are killing it. Now freestyle, one reason why I really like it is because there's a lot of creativity involved. There is no particular thing saying that this is how you have to do a stunt. It is totally up to you. How do you perform it? And you have to understand your biking skills a lot, only then you will be able to perform it. It's not like you're randomly doing it. You have to totally understand it, and with a lot of practice comes these things. A lot of skill is needed, and these guys are nailing it. Wheelies, stoppies, drifting, burnouts, whatnot. Guys, I've noticed all the stunts here. There is a lot of creativity and skill involved in this. So let's meet the man who's behind the entire team, Sachin Rider Boy, who's also known as iStunts.
No, also known as Rider Boy.
Oh, he has a tattoo, man. That is so cool. So Sachin bhai, आपके लोगों के टीम का जो स्किल देखा, is fantabulous.
Thank you.
एक लेवल का क्रेजनेस चाहिए पूरा करने के लिए, as far as I see things.
Yes.
Right? And डरना, no way. If you are afraid of these things, I don't think you will be able to do this, right? So, how do you think Shutter Gears and mixing up freestyle biking with Shutter Gears would help these riders get their skills actually?
First of all, I would like to thank Shutter Gears for giving us chance to promote our sports in such kind of event. The first time हो रहा है हैदराबाद में this stunt competition, and I'm very lucky that I'm a jury of this competition. So thank you Shutter Gears, and I hope so this event grows more bigger, that one day it will be a international level competition, yeah, you can say anything.
Right. Thank you so much भाई. And मेरा भी बहुत सारे सपने हैं राइडिंग रिलेटेड, लेके यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. बट ये भी एक ही मेरा थंडरबर्ड से लेके एक व्हीली करना है करके. आई एम नॉट श्योर कब होता, कैसे होता करके, बट एक दिन आपसे सीख लूँगा व्हीली कैसे करना है करके. थंडरबर्ड पे रिमेंबर दिस गाइज, mark this day, probably in a year or so, with the help of Sachin bhai, I'll do a wheelie on Thunderbird. हो जाएगा ना?
Actually, obviously. Yeah.
So now the competition, the final competition is about to begin, and we have the finals where everybody is gonna showcase their full level skill set here. So let's watch out.
Stunt rider in the championship, Aslam Action Roll, just 18 years old. Clap for him. Wow. And Judo. Yeah, your time is up.
We've noticed all these stunts, and one interesting thing what I found in all these stunts is the way these bikes have been modded out. So I have Nihal here, who's also a motovlogger. I'll put up his channel here. If you are really interested, you can just go and check it out, all his videos. So Nihal, thank you for joining.
Thank you for taking me on your channel. It's an honor.
So firstly, Nihal, tell me, what all modifications have you done? Now take a look at this bike. At the first glance, I am not sure what bike is this firstly. It is looking like a Pulsar from one angle. It is looking like an Apache from another angle. So Nihal is gonna explain it out, what all modifications he has done and how modifying these parts would actually help in the freestyle biking.
Hello guys, so any basic stunt bike would actually require only one main thing that is very important. It's the application of a secondary brake, or we call this as a hand brake. So scooters में ऐसे ही आता है. What we do is we have one brake on the foot. So when we climb on the seat and we get on the seat, we need an access to another brake, or else the bike will fall back. So there's been another brake. So the cylinder is here, which goes all the way from here, and it comes, which goes all the way from there, and it comes here and it connects here. So like a normal bike has only one caliper, our bikes have two. So this is a secondary hand brake. With the leg brake, there's another hand brake applied on our bike. So apart from that, we remove all the excess weight on the bikes. So
on the front part.
So there's no headlight, there's no mirrors, etc, etc. What and all might cause weight to us in the bikes, that and all has been removed.
So mostly the front end would be very lighter so that you can lift up the vehicle for the wheelie.
Lifting is not the difficult part. Lifting it and keeping the balance is the difficult part, and holding the bike is the difficult part.
Right. So these are normal frame sliders in case if you fall down or something?
Those are also modded out, and they've been extended a little bit so as to protect our feet, and most probably protect the bike also, because the stunt bikes are a heavy investment and we have to keep putting in money.
Right, of course.
So the crash cages protect our feet, and most probably it protects the bike's engine cases also.
Right. So Nihal, one thing, tell me, what bike actually is this? Is this a Pulsar? Is this an Apache?
This is a 2011 Pulsar 220. This is the second generation of the Pulsar 220 that came in.
Right. So what I guessed initially was right, because of the hood at the end. I have kind of guessed it. This might be a Pulsar. So thank you, Nihal.
Thank you
so much. I'll put up Nihal's YouTube channel before, so check out all his stunts. He's really doing a great job with all these stunts and everything.
And don't forget to subscribe to my brother's channel. He's doing an amazing job.
Thank you so much, man.
Category freestyle biking goes to Rohit RS. ऐसे कैसे?
स्टैंड करो, फिर मिलेगा।
रोहित, come on! चाहिए भी बिल्कुल।
मैंने देखा कमाल, तो मुझसे रहा नहीं गया, तो मैंने आपके बारामती के शरद पवार साहब को आपका वीडियो भेजा, so I sent him your video. जय महाराष्ट्र! I thank you everybody who supported me, and I especially thanks to Shutter Gears and every team members, Right Boy, my friend and all, everything. Royal Group also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The journey खत्म हो चुकी है. सारे स्टंट राइडर्स ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. थैंक्स अ लॉट. एंड हैदराबाद गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपके बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं था. नहीं तो मैं जंबल हो जाता था, किसी को कुछ भी पॉइंट दे देता था. तो थैंक्स अ लॉट. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, इसमें पार्शियलिटी कुछ नहीं हुई है. मैंने किसी का चेहरा नहीं देखा, मैंने मूव्स देखे हैं. सो थोड़ी सी भी पार्शियलिटी नहीं हुई है. सो एंजॉय योर डे.
Pointless telling me Hayabusa, Ninja 1000, all this is blah blah. This is the real stuff. What you ride is the real stuff. It's a legendary bike. So remember that. It's the ride which always talks.
Support stunt riders.
Thank you. You will get a lot of support from us.
Highway Delight, one application specifically meant for bikers. If you are a biker and if you are doing solo expeditions or group expeditions anywhere throughout India, I think this is one really handy application that you have. So I have Rajesh with me, who's actually the founder and CEO of this Highway Delight application. Rajesh, wonderful to have you, and thank you for including Shutter Gears as a part of the registration and everything. So people who have actually registered for this event, Shutter Gears, they have done it through the application. So where did this idea come from, and what is your vision behind this idea, Highway Delight?
Yeah, first of all, thank you for having me here, and it was a great event at Shutter Gears 2019, and we look forward to having this on a continuous basis. So coming to Highway Delight app, so basically this app is meant for all the travelers on highways, and as you know that most of the bikers are the most frequent travelers on highways, we have specific functions in this app which will really help any bikers. So to start with, we have more than 12 category of information, starting with restaurant, washrooms. We have puncture shops, mechanic shops, 24/7 breakdown assistance helpline number. We have other services like petrol pump which are open 24/7 where you can use credit card and other things. So overall it's a one package, one-stop solution for any biker looking on a highway assistance anywhere in India. So as of now we have covered more than 50,000 kilometers of highways across India, and predominantly we are strong in South India, and we are also done few states in North India.
Awesome.
So that's the thing, and we will be covering more than 1 lakh kilometers in the next 6 months.
That is awesome. So one interesting feature that I found inside the application, that is one reason why I go into the application again and again, is knowing riding locations nearby a city.
Yeah.
I come from Hyderabad. There are not a lot of places to ride here and there. So there are a couple of places that I found through Highway Delight, that okay, even staying in Hyderabad, I didn't know about these locations, and I went there. I had some real nice fun. So this is one of my favorite features, I would say. You can get to know some of the riding locations where you can go on a solo ride or a group ride, probably on a weekend for a breakfast or something like that. You can get to know in the Highway Delight application. So what are your future plans regards to application, other than giving 1 lakh kilometers and all these sorts of information? Do you have anything planned up?
Yeah, so over a period of last 2.5 years, since we have been associated with a lot of biking clubs, of course Road Thrill was the first club we got associated with in Bangalore, and the association still goes as on today. So we have learned a lot of things which we can do for bikers. So some of the features which you can look forward to is the planning of stays with other bikers in any other city. So it's more like a couch kind of a thing, where you can actually take help of other riders in other cities. You can actually plan your ride and stay with them. So that is one feature we are looking forward to. Second feature is like as I said, our 24/7 helpline number. We are going to add verified mechanics on the highways, so which will also provide you easy no cash kind of a service. So you can take Highway Delight name, and those all vendors will be listed with us. You can just either make an online payment to them, or you can have a kind of a wallet balance in our app which you can use. So these are the two main things which we are working on, and yeah, which are important for the riders. Of course other things we are working for regular travelers also.
I think that's a really interesting feature that you're bringing, having a wallet and paying the mechanic and everything, having verified mechanics. That's really important. If you remember the last year when we were riding to Goa, we had really humongous issues that came nearby Belgaum, and one way Highway Delight really helped us in finding us a proper mechanic, and we had to sort out the issue there and then itself. So it was really helpful, and what Rajesh is introducing about this new feature of wallet and everything, I think it's gonna be really handy. And also the staying with a biker in a city if you are traveling and everything, that's one way to bud with your biker brotherhood and everything. So thank you so much, Rajesh, for spending your time with us, and also providing enough guidance and support for Shutter Gears. I know the last couple of months for you also has been a roller coaster ride for you as well. So thank you so much for all this.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.